time again, gift wrapping time. Matt and I had some pokey for dinner, and then I decided I just need to like bust it out and wrap some gifts. So that's what we're doing tonight. So while we're doing that, I'm watching, actually not a Christmas show this time. I'm watching, it popped up on my Netflix. It's called Glow Up. Have you seen it? It's about makeup artists, and they compete against each other, and there'll be a winner, and they'll have like a job in the professional world after this, which is super cool. But it's just fun to kind of watch people create makeup looks, and they make the challenges like super hard, and it's just kind of fun to watch. So I'm on episode number 2. So if you like things like this, where they compete against each other, and you like makeup, you're probably gonna really like this show. So you should check it out. Okay, 2 things I want to talk about is that I always keep like a little bag around for trash, just so that it doesn't pile up, because you're inevitably gonna have some kind of trash. So I just have a little bag that I've just been keeping here, and that's where I put my trash. Second thing I want to talk about is something I learned today, actually, and it's what to do with these like leftover pieces. Now, sure, I might find a present that will fit this, but maybe I won't. But I want to show you what you can also do with these extra pieces of scrap paper that I think is kind of cool. So you're gonna cut the paper in strips all the way down, a few of them, and then I'll show you what you're gonna do with them. Okay, now that you have your strips, you're gonna take those strips, and you know how you can curl ribbon? You're gonna curl your wrapping paper. So you just take all the pieces and you kind of pile them on top of each other. And if you had a staple, you could staple them right here, which I don't. So I'm gonna just tape it, and then I'll show you where I'm gonna take it from there. I just taped one piece in the middle, and then I taped a couple pieces in the back, and spreading them out, every piece gets stuck to, so it just kind of stays together. Then you can use it as just like a little bow that matches your present perfectly, by the way, and it kind of makes it look creative and like you maybe bought it, but no, you didn't. You made it yourself. Or you can fancy up the average bow by putting it inside the middle. Kind of fun. It works both ways. And I'm sure there's lots of other things you could do with this. I would probably add more pieces if I wasn't gonna have the bow in the middle, but I feel like it's a fun little life hack to have in your brain just in case, you know, you don't have a bow. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this little bow turned out that I made. I love it so much. I did a smaller size and then I did a thicker size. So I kind of combined it, and I think it turned out really nice. So just to show the 2 different ways, you can kind of do this same bow. I think they're both super cute. And I think you just have to play with it and see what's gonna work for what you're doing.